My name is Kayla. I don't know where to begin, because my story is not something I ever thought I would say out loud. I was not always like this. Or maybe I was, and I just didn't understand it yet. I grew up here, in this same town. I ran on these same roads.
Nah, you serious? That's wild.
I swear, you had to be there.
I wanted to grow up, fall in love with a man, get married, have children.
Look, Mom, it's growing so big.
It sure is, sweetie. You're a great helper.
Make my mother proud. I am so proud of you, baby. Always have been, always will be. She used to tell me, Kayla, one day you will be a beautiful wife. And I believed her. I wanted that life. I truly did. But when I went to school, something inside me started to change.
No way, he actually said that?
Shh.
At first, it was small, something I could ignore. My friends would sit together and talk about boys.
Okay, but did you see the way he looked at her? I'm telling you, he's definitely interested. Please, he's just being friendly. Don't read too much into it.
Who was handsome, who smiled at them, who they wanted.
Okay, but did you see him? He is so handsome. Yes, he totally smiled at you.
I laughed too, but I didn't feel what they felt. I thought maybe I was just shy. Maybe I hadn't met the right person yet. So I waited. Tried to force myself to feel something. But instead, something else was growing. There was a girl in my class. I won't say her name, but when she walked into the room, I felt my heart beat so fast it scared me. When she spoke to me,
Hello, I'm new here. I'm Naeem. Hi, I'm Kayla. Nice to meet you.
I couldn't look at her properly. When she smiled, it stayed in my mind the whole day. I told myself, no, this is wrong. I tried to push it away. I prayed every night. I begged God to remove those feelings from me. I even started avoiding her. I stopped sitting near her. I stopped talking to her. But no matter how far I stayed, the feelings didn't go away. At school, people talk. You hear things. Words like abnormal, shame, curse.
Did you see what she posted last night? I'm telling you, he has no chance against them. It's gonna be a blowout.
Even when they are not talking about you, it still reaches you. It still cuts you. And slowly, I started to believe those words about myself. I hated myself. It was after the long school holiday. You know how it is when students return after weeks away.
The whole summer.
I am louder than usual, carrying bags, shun greetings, showing off new shoes or hairstyles.
It was after the long school holiday. You know how it is when students return after weeks away.
I remember arriving early because my mother always hated lateness. The grass was still wet from the morning dew, and students were gathering near the classrooms. And then I saw her. She was walking through the school gate carrying a blue bag over one shoulder. Her braids were longer than before.
No way, she actually said that? I swear, you should have seen her face.
I don't know why that moment stayed with me so clearly. Maybe because it was the first time I looked at her differently. She saw me standing there and immediately waved. "Kayla!" She shouted across the yard like she hadn't seen me in years. And before I could even react, she ran toward me. She hugged me. My heart started beating so hard I thought she would hear it. She pulled away and say, "Why are you looking at me like that?"
Why are you looking at me like that?
One day, I decided to go toward her and tell her how I was feeling about her.
Naomi, can I talk to you about something? Yeah, sure. Please, have a seat. I have to tell you something, but please don't tell nobody. What is that? Are you okay? You are scaring me.
At that exact moment, I felt like I was about to collapse, but it was another way around. Instead, it was my happiest moment ever.
Naomi, I think I'm in love with you. Wow, are you serious? Is that you were afraid to tell me? Yes, I was afraid that you were going to reject me badly. Why, I have been feeling the same about you. Oh, how happy I am now. Can you please hug me?
That moment alone gives me goosebumps, and my heart was beating so fast. From that moment on, we started hanging out together.
I can't believe we finally made it here. It's perfect, right? It's like everything just falls away when we're here.
Go for dates, playing in the nature. She loves nature so bad. She started inviting over to watch movies.
So, movie night? My place? Yeah, I'm in. Sounds perfect.
And bringing some of our friends too. it is like I was not getting enough of her. I would stare at every moment we are together. I used to think of myself like something is wrong with me, but it was just my nature and there are others like me. And before I leave, I'm asking for people to not put anyone with different feeling to blame because sometimes they had no choice. Thank you. Bye.